So, all right, folk. Just hanging out this morning in the old vanitarium, and had my son bring some stuff out. Some hamburger meat that I had. I didn't want that to go bad, and I still had like almost a full packet of my nacho cheese sauce. So I kind of mixed that in. I cooked up the hamburger, put the nacho stuff in, and my daughter had brought me some mac and cheese out on Thanksgiving, and I had a tad bit of that left. So I kind of just mixed it all and I put it on a tortilla chip here, and it is good. So I also saved some of the mixture because I'm going to make not where is it? There we go. Got some mac and cheese. I got the white cheddar, and I'm gonna cook that, and then the rest of this mixture I'm gonna kind of put in there and just mix it all together and everything. So that should be pretty good too. Kind of a cheesy mac type thing, and also might throw some of the tortilla chips in there too, because give it a little crunch. That's always awesome. But that's it for now. Just chilling. We'll get back to you later, folk. So, all right, folk. Well, it's been a pretty boring Sunday, and right now I am just putting some Fritos corn chips here into a bowl, and I just made some chili. I used wolf chili, and just gonna throw some of the chili on top of the corn chips, Frito pie. I don't have any cheese to throw over it or sour cream, but it's still gonna be good. But I'm gonna get this over. Be right back with you. Well, I'm not sure if you guys could see it coming down, folk, but just got done walking the dogs, and we got some snow coming down. Well, all right, folk. The tumbler has stopped for round one. So I am going to put the second batch of stuff in it and get it going again. And this time, as you can see, I moved it into the bathroom because it does get a bit too loud for them at night and they can't sleep well. So we're transferring it to the bathroom to tumble. So I'm going to get this done for them and be right back with you. So, all right, folks. Well, this is what they look like. This is just the first tumble, and they are already looking pretty dang cool. So they're nice and cleaned up, and a little rough around a little less rough around the edges. They look really freaking good. So I can imagine what they're going to be like once all the polishing is done and everything. In this one, you got the amethyst, rose quartz, sodalite, red jasper, and the golden tiger's eye right here. That's pretty cool. In this one, this is just a big one that my son found while we were out hiking that we thought was cool, so we threw that in there. So can't wait to see when this is all done. So, alrighty, folk, we're going to the step 2 part of the putting the grit in the tumbler. So, alright, I believe the last time he said it to 4 days because it's 3 to 5. So, alrighty, we got to sit for another 4 days. And then we're off to part 3. Alright, folks. And alright, folks, so we're on the second part here of the day. I'm going to clean my son's tank while he's at school. I wanted to give it a really good cleaning. Take everything out, clean it real good because it's getting a bit of algae in there, and we don't have an algae eater because this guy, I think, Mr. Ghost, I believe had a field day on him and ate him. So I think we're going with a bigger algae eater this time to help maintain the tank a bit better. I think the algae eater is really going to help it out. Hello there, Mr. Ghost. If I get another algae eater, will you please not eat it? They get expensive. Be super, big guy. So, all right, folks, well, we got this water looking a lot better. Cleaned up the flowers and his rocks and everything a bit. Got that skull looking a lot better. You couldn't even tell it was a skull before. Got these guys over here hanging out in this little extra tank. This is the first tank I bought them, and it didn't work out quite well. So now I just kind of use it. I transfer some of the dirty water over there, then put those guys in there, and wait a couple hours for this water to get the temperature, and then I put them back in, and they do pretty well. Well, right, folk. Well, got me a little chili here with some tater tots and a little cheese sprinkled on it. Everything has gone good with the boys' fish tank. We got that all cleaned up. Fish are back in it. They're doing awesome. The rock tumbler, it doesn't seem so good. It was really awesome. Like I said, after the first tumble, the rocks were looking really good. I was kind of surprised. My son called me today or texted me before he went into school and said that it was done. And I said, well, I'll go in and I will change it to the next tumble for you. So when you get out of school, it's already going. But I was surprised because I didn't think it should have stopped yet. You know, he set it for 3 days, and this is going on day 3. This isn't a full third day. This is going on the third day, and it had stopped. They still looked pretty good, but I took them out, rinsed everything off real good, put the rocks back in, put the second packet in, and then put it on, started it up, and it won't keep going. It just stops. Unfortunately, I took a big rock out. He had a big rock he found that was really freaking cool. So I took that out, figuring maybe it was offsetting it somehow. And that didn't work. So, of course, I go online. One person saying is that the belts are real cheap and they get loose. So it comes with an extra one. I figured that couldn't be it. I mean, we've literally used it one time. And so I put the new one on, did not help. Another person said, the directions and everything itself online says that if you got a little too much water in it, maybe that'll. So I said, okay, threw a little bit out. Still was not the problem. I plug it in. I put it back to where we had it because, like I was telling you guys, we put it in the bathroom so they could sleep better because it's loud. I put it back in the room, won't stay going. Put it back there, won't stay going. It just won't stay going. So I've read up online, and allegedly people have complained about this before, and they say it's something about the scale thing or something, and it's defective, and they'll send you another one. Da 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 da. I don't know if I still have the receipt or not. Hopefully my ex does. But I think that's what I'm going to have to do because I'm not good with these people. The way I look at it is you sold me a product. Give me my freaking product so I can give it to the kid and he can have fun with it. It's a $50 freaking rock tumbler. You know, I don't have $50 to just go throw it around to some company and just give you a shabby piece of crap, you know? So I get real aggravated at this. My son's really looking forward to it. I was looking forward to it. Like I said, those rocks looked really cool when they came out to tumble the first time. But as extremely aggravated as I am, as of right now, I'm giving them a thumbs down. The National Geographic rock tumbler, thumbs freaking down. There is no way that, like I said, it was going on the third day. There's no way it should have shut off. It wasn't done doing the 3 days yet. I'm sorry, 4 days. He had it set for 4 days. So we're on day 3. So it not only is it not doing the full day 3, it hasn't even done day 4 yet. So for 2 days, going on the third day, we've had this, and it's already kaputski. So anyways, I'm aggravated. I got something for my freaking kid, and I wanted it to work. But anyways, this is something I'm going to leave to the ex and ask her to take care of it and to deal with these people because I'm not good at this type of stuff, dealing with corporations and yapping on phones with people who don't really give a damn anyways. But I'm hoping she could do something, hoping we could get this replaced. So hopefully my son could get his freaking rocks polished, and that'll be cool. But all right, so I'm going to let you guys go now. I'm aggravated. Later, folk. So, all right, folk. But you got Brother Hawk right here. I was coming out the house after looking at the fish, my son's fish, hoping they were all right. And he was right by the planetarium, and then he flew up there. Pretty cool. So, all right, folks. Well, me and Butch are back out in the old planetarium. So, hoping all the aggravating stuff is done. I think my son's fish tank got a little cold. It is by the window, and the fan was on. Their roof fan. They have it on when they turn the light on. So it might have got a little cold in there, but they were all the way down to the bottom, not swimming much. They do swim around and everything, and God willing, they're still okay. But I ended up putting the heater in there and turning the heater on just to make sure that the water's not getting too cold for them. So, anyways, first a rock tumbler, please, God willing, nothing with the fish. So, aggravating day, folk, and I'm gonna get going. So, yo, have a good one, and until next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.